Alright, what's up, y'all? We're back with another video today. Today's Friday, February 27th. And we have nothing good to say on this Friday. As you guys can see, breached, funded, gone, right? Breached, I don't know where the funded went. But, yeah, I mean, as you guys can see, this week was horrible. Yesterday, beginning of the week, Monday, made $900 on the funded account, made about $100 on the combine, and then just the rest of the week was just horrible. Yeah, so so Tuesday I started copy trading both accounts, the funded that I had and the eval. I don't know, lost about $500 that day. Wednesday, same thing. Thursday, not good, lost about $1,000. There's the account gone. Today I traded another account. This one wasn't as upsetting, right? I did try the trade C and stuff, and I actually really enjoyed the trade C. It's just a little, it's kind of like TradingView, but it was a little different since I got used to Trade08. So, but yeah, not mad about this one. This is like kind of just a test for the trade C. So this eval was okay. That, it's never okay that we blew the eval, but it's more acceptable, I guess you can say. So yeah, so there's that eval that we traded today with the trade C. You guys can see rhythmic trading. And then we had the lucid flex. I'll show you guys the lucid flex. Yeah, look. Yeah, this is not the best. But yeah, this week was just horrible. I guess this video is not gonna have any like trade recaps or anything. Kind of just like a update, kind of like psychology, like what I learned and stuff. But yeah, what I noticed was every day, even Monday this week, was just horrible price action. Yeah, there was a couple moves in there, one or two moves, but they weren't, A plus setups or anything like that. And days like that, you just can't, trade. And then you kind of learned that this week. We had 2 weeks in a row of being great, profitable. And then this third week was just horrible. All the accounts are gone. But yeah, so that's one thing I learned. Just, if you know that it's going to be a horrible trading day, just don't even, look at the markets, but don't even trade. If you want to trade, maybe go on a demo account. Just to get that itch away from trading. But that's kind of one thing I figured out today, this week. And then yeah, and I'm making these videos obviously first to help you guys out, and then help you guys kind of see what the journey's like and stuff like that, like journey to payout, and just to be full transparent, because I know some influencers are out there claiming they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars, even some claiming to make millions of dollars off trading. But realistically, they sell courses, it's probably going to be off the course or affiliate codes and stuff like that. So it's not 100K trading. It might be 100K month, but maybe it's 50K trading, 20K trading. It's never going to be 100K trading, right? For some, yes. For some, no. So I just want to be fully transparent with you guys on that aspect of the, trading side, just let you guys know exactly what I'm making and stuff like that. So, but yeah, that was kind of this week, kind of what I learned. If I know it's going to be a shit day, just don't trade that day. If I really do want to trade, I'll trade a demo account. And yeah, just I can't rush trades, because I've been rushing trades this week. I'm like, okay, let me get this payout this week. Let's make a lot of money, get the payout by Friday, and then I blew the account, and now I'm down a step. Right, so that's another thing we kind of figured out. And again, I feel like demo trading is going to be the best on those days, especially now with the trade C, and even Trade08 has demo trading, so you guys can trade on those two platforms. And then with Lucid's a great prop firm, but I think I'm going to check out Tradeify. Actually, I know they have the daily payouts, and it's $2,500 to pass the combine, 40% consistency, so it's like $850 a day for 3 days. If you're going to pass it in exactly 3 days without losing. And then I know if you do the select, they have daily select, and then it's like the normal one. The normal is 5 days, 150 profit, like any normal prop firm. And then they have the daily payout option. That one is more of like, It's like a daily payout. Like it's simple as that, right? You build a buffer that they require you to build, and then anything after that buffer, you can take a payout. So if you have buffers 2,100, if you have 2,600, you take out $500 payout till they move you live. So that's kind of what I'm interested, like looking into doing. I'm gonna look over it this weekend, see if I'm mentally ready for that, and just see if I'm ready at all. I do believe that the trading strategy that I do use, right, the inverse gaps and just looking at the higher time frame inverse gaps, lower time frame, market structure shift, fair value gaps, liquidity sweeps, right? All those things are, I think I have that down, pretty well. But yeah, now I just think it's just a trading psychology, knowing I don't have to trade every day, right? If I'm trading 5 days out of the week, maybe 2 days I don't take a trade, but 3 days I take a winning trade, then there alone is $1,000 a day, $850 a day if I'm doing the combine pass in a week, and then you guys get the point. So just a few things, just being transparent with what happened this week. So again, just a recap. I don't want to recap, but funded blown, 2 evals blown. So nothing too excited to be about, nothing educational in this video other than I guess the psychology part of day trading. I'm not a therapist, so I don't know too much, right? But that's just kind of what I learned from my experience. To just not take a trade. I don't need to take a trade every day. So if I really do, that's what we have demo accounts for, right? Demo accounts to take trades when you want to take trades and to learn how to trade. So that's kind of what I figured this week. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna start next week fresh. I know there's a bunch of news coming out. TJR is doing a 30-day live stream. So I'm definitely going to be tuning into that for a little bit just to see what he's up to. Yeah, and then I know ICT posted something on Twitter mentioning that, market's going to become a little bit better, and that where we are now, the market's actually trading within that range. It's actually really hard to trade that range. So to be able to get those 2 weeks of profitability and this 1 week of not, I'm still pretty proud of that as well. But yeah, this week was just kind of horrible. But at least we're always learning something, right? It's maybe I learned something in the strategy, maybe I learned something in psychology. So yeah, psychology was a great learn. The past 2 weeks were doing great. This week, I think Wednesday was just kind of when I should have just cut the trades, maybe demo trade. But yeah, again, now we know. We gained that experience from the live trading, and yeah, I mean, there's not much other to say. I mean, you guys kind of saw what happened. I mean, I'm showing you guys the proof here. But yeah, I mean, if you guys want to join the Discord, I know this is not a great time to plug the Discord, but again, if you guys want to join the Discord, we have trade recaps, stuff like that. We do live streams. But if you guys are interested, you guys can join that. It's totally free, right? You don't have to watch. You don't have to do anything. Just I'm trying to grow the community there. So if you guys would like to join that, you guys can. There's going to be a link in the description. Also in the link of the YouTube bio or whatever they call it. So yeah, I mean, that's it for today's video. We'll see you guys on Monday, and then we're just gonna keep the same schedule going for YouTube videos from on here. So yeah, if this video was interesting to you guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we learned a lot of lessons this week. Learned a lot of lessons today after reviewing this week, and hopefully next week will be better and more profitable. So I'll see you guys then. Peace.